Being a non-Muslim, I am impressed with your speech and Quran.
And, sister, your name and profession, please.
Yes, my name is Manju, and I'm working in a software company. So, Brother Imran, have a question. Like, you have said that Quran is the word of God, and the people who follow are Muslims, servants of God, followers of Muhammad. But I've seen one of my Muslim colleague who had a beard, etc., is always like behaving very difficultly. He is saying he's a typical he follower of a Quran and Allah. But I've seen him he is abusing a bad language, insulting everyone. Like, so when Quran has not influenced his life, then how is a Muslim?
Sister is a non-Muslim sister, and she is most welcome for this program. Sister has asked a question that I said a Muslim should adhere to the teachings of Quran, and she has a non-Muslim friend who uses abusive language, who does things which are against the Quran. Then what kind of a Muslim is this? That is your question, sister. Sister, every religion has good people and bad people. Every religion has it. Hitler, you see, he claimed that I am a Christian and he killed 6 million Jews. Does the Bible say kill the Jews? The Bible doesn't say. Veerappan, the smuggler, he's a Hindu. Does Hinduism say become a smuggler? No. Every community has good people and bad people. Therefore, you see the wisdom of the divine wisdom. Allah knew that the Muslims will make mistakes. Therefore, Allah said for the whole mankind, the best example, لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ. Prophet Muhammad is the best example for you. You take out one mistake in his character, I challenge you for that, sister. Follow him, you will be best, inshallah. I hope I answered your question, sister.